Good morning, children. So, open your grammar, all of you. Page number 95, 96, and 97. I'll be explaining you today, okay? Yeah, we are doing chapter 17, adverbs, okay? Now, here. Now, the for words ending in E, I have already explained you this. And these I have filled for you, so you will also fill. All of you start filling. I'm going to take your test on next Tuesday. Chapter 17. Here. Now these adverbs are usually placed, all these adverbs, after the direct object in a sentence. If there is one, if one object is there. Otherwise they are placed after the verb. Words concerned with character and intelligence, such as foolishly, intelligently, when placed before the verb, indicate that the action was foolish or intelligent. Okay? These also I filled for you. My cousin willingly gave me her earphones. Meera spoke to her mother politely about the detailed plan to go for a movie. How did she talk? Politely. Then the children listened attentively. You also have to listen attentively. Means you have to pay attention. ध्यान दईने सांभळવાનું. Okay? Because they found the poem interesting. The devotees prayed silently for the well-being of all. The palace appeared to stand magnificently against the backdrop of the high mountains. Okay? Now, adverbs of place tell us the place of action and answer the question where. Gagan has gone out. Where has Gagan gone? Out. Flowers were blooming everywhere in the spring season. Where were the flowers blooming? Everywhere. The adverbs out and everywhere indicate the place of action. They are adverbs of place. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. The students were working outside and trying to make the model of a volcano in the sand pit. Here, outside is the adverb of place. The little girl was led away by her mother. Here, away is the adverb of place. Now, underline the adverbs of place in the following sentences. The child could not be found anywhere. So, anywhere. Place. Now page number 96. The candidate walked in for the interview. Where did he walk? In. The boy sat inside the hut as it was raining. Where did he sit? Inside. Okay? My mother kept the diary somewhere and forgot. Where did she keep? Somewhere. I was sitting here before I went for a bath. Where were you sitting? Here. These are all adverbs of places. Most common adverbs of place also function as prepositions. Example, across, along, around, behind, down and by. Adverbs of place ending in words, wards, or ways, ways, express movement in a particular direction, like backwards, northwards, downwards, inward, outward, westward and sideways. Example, the plane plunged downwards after it developed a technical snag. There was some technical mistake, so it went downwards. Adverbs of time indicate the time of an action or sometimes the duration of an action. They answer the question when. They returned yesterday. When did they return? Yesterday. You must have gone for a walk early. They will reach later. Now here the words yesterday, early, later are adverbs of time. They are placed either at the beginning or at the end of a clause or a sentence. Adverbs of time are ago, today, yet, tomorrow, now, then, recently, afterward, soon, nowadays and late. Sometimes a group of words like at once, till now, by now also work as adverbs. These are adverb phrases of time. Okay, now these I fill for you and you will also fill. Next Tuesday I am taking your test of this lesson of adverbs. Okay, page 97 now. A few more examples are given here. The girls spoke quite well and won a prize. Vinika almost finished the project on time. Some adverbs of degree are enough, hardly, nearly, only, quite, extremely, entirely, fairly, very, and to. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often or how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. She seldom pays us a visit. Seldom means very rarely, sometimes only. Nalin often plays badminton with his grandfather. I always brush my teeth at night before I go to bed. Now they are usually placed before the main verb. Okay? Here see brush always, plays often. Alright? Before the verb they will come. Or after the helping verb. Rita is frequently missing her classes. The helping verb here is and the adverb is frequently. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with adverbs of frequency or adverbs of degree. They had never met before. The soup was extremely hot. That means very hot. The dessert and salads were entirely prepared by my mother. My father works very hard. Christmas is celebrated once a year. Alright? And here, these I finished for you. So your test will be, I am writing on the board for you just now. Interrogative adverbs, this we are leaving. Till here, till G, I take your exam. Alright? All of you see, children. Next Tuesday. Next Tuesday will be your test of chapter 17, page. I am not giving you full, only till what I have explained you. 93, 94, 95, and 96. That's it. Alright? Remaining I'll explain you in the next period. All of you are going to write the test perfectly, neat and clean. And I want full sentences because this is grammar. You will not write direct answer. Direct answer is 0. આખા વાક્ય લખવાના. Do you understand? All of you, વાલીઓ મહેરબાની કરીને એ લોકોને ગાઈડન્સ આપજો કે આખા ને આખા સેન્ટેન્સ લખે, કેમ કે આ ગ્રામર છે એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર્સ નહીં લખવાના. ઓકે? અને આ પીડીએફ એ લોકો પાસે જરૂર ઉતરાવજો, નહીં તો ટેસ્ટ કેવી રીતે આપશે. બાય ચાન્સ તમારી પાસે ના હોય અત્યારે તો પોતાના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ પાસેથી બોરો ધ બુક્સ એન્ડ કોપી ડાઉન ધ નોટ્સ. ઓકે? બાય ઓન અ ફ્યુ.